Hi everyone, I'm here today to do a review for you, and I'm actually going to be reviewing 3 products, and I only have 2 of them because I used the last of the third one like last week and I didn't save the tube. But the 3 products I'm going to compare is the Urban Decay Primer Potion and the L'Oreal De-Crease, which I actually have here, and then the Neutrogena Skin Soothing Eye Tints. This is actually a base. It doesn't sound like a base, but it is. Here's that. So, I started out with this, the Neutrogena Eye Tint, and I used it for, I think this is like the 3rd one that I bought of it, and I still have a little bit left. I wasn't a huge fan, but it did its job, it worked, and obviously enough to buy it multiple times, but this is 0.17 ounces, and it's really nice like at the beginning when you first get it, but then it just gets really thick, and when you put it on, you know, it's like you're having to push really hard on your eyes, and you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to be very gentle around the eyes. So I didn't, I don't know, like I said, I actually still have a little bit left in there. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm not a big fan of it, especially since I moved on to the Primer Potion. So then I was using the Urban Decay for my eyes, and it was too thick. I think it worked better than this Neutrogena. It did its job. It was just really thick and like just felt heavy on my eyes. I wasn't a big fan of it, and it dried so fast that you had to like work with it really fast, and then my eyes really felt sticky even after I put my eyeshadow on. But I used that for a while, and then I found this L'Oreal Paris. It's called De-Crease, and I think this is by far my favorite eyeshadow primer. It comes with a little applicator, and it goes on so smooth. Like, it's really gentle on your eyes. It feels like there's nothing there. Like, it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel like you have like tons of stuff on your eyes because you had to use a base. And I have really oily eyelids. I have really oily skin, and if I don't use something like this, then my shadow is just everywhere. So they all did a good job of keeping my shadow in place. I think the Neutrogena didn't do as well of a job as the L'Oreal and the Urban Decay, but the L'Oreal actually, like I said, it goes on better than the Urban Decay, and it actually works just as well. I haven't had any problems with it, and like I said, coming from somebody with really oily lids, I was very shocked that for being like a drugstore brand, that it did so well. I think this Neutrogena, this one was like $12 for this little tiny thing. This De-Crease is I think 0.30 ounces, and this lasts me probably maybe a month, maybe not quite, and it's like $7.47 at Walmart. So I love this stuff. The Primer Potion is really expensive. I think it's like $20 or $30 for the tube, and it's hard to get out because of the way that the tube is shaped. It's hard to get, because it comes with an applicator, and it's hard to get it out of like the creases and make sure that you have everything, where this L'Oreal, the tube is actually as long as the applicator, so when you put it in, you can reach all the way to the bottom and make sure that you get everything out, and the shape of the tube makes it really easy to make sure that you have everything out too. So I definitely love this stuff. It is by far my favorite eyeshadow primer that I've ever used. I've used a couple other ones here and there, like things that my friends had, but this is my favorite. So like I said, you can get it at Walmart. I think you can get it at like any drugstore. You can probably get it just about anywhere. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. Let me know what you think, because it just, to me, it's amazing. I love it. I actually have another one. I have a backup so that when this one runs out I have another one. So I highly suggest that you try it if you haven't, and let me know what you guys think. So I hope that this helped, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!